This morning, the North Atlantic Council held consultations under Article 4 of the Washington Treaty. This followed a request from Estonia after their airspace was violated by 3 armed MiG-31 fighter jets on Friday, where NATO responded quickly and decisively. Following the meeting, allies issued a strong statement of solidarity and resolve. They condemned Russia's reckless actions, which are escalatory, risk miscalculation and endanger lives. Allies affirmed yet again that our shared commitment to collective defense is unshakable. We do not want to see a continuation of this dangerous pattern by Russia, intentional or not, but we stand ready and willing to continue to defend every inch of Allied territory. Our posture on land, at sea and in the air is serving us well. Our pilots are doing precisely what they are trained to do when there is a potential risk of incursion.